Hello student, welcome to class 4th Max. Today we will see lesson number 5, subtraction. Today we will see following topics: definition of subtraction, subtraction without borrowing, subtraction with borrowing. So our first topic is definition of subtraction. So what is subtraction? Subtraction means taking away. What is subtraction means? Subtraction means taking away. So here how many balloons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 balloons. And we are taking away 3 balloons out. So how many will be left? That is 2. So 5 minus 3 we will get 2. So when we subtract a smaller number from a bigger number, the answer we get is called the difference. So here what answer we got? That is 2. So 2 is known as the difference. The number which is subtracted is called the subtrahend, and the number from which subtrahend is subtracted is called the minuend. So let's see one example. 6666 minus 4321. Here 6666 is the minuend. Now and 4321 is the subtrahend. Means the number which is subtracted, it is called the subtrahend. Here which number is subtracted? That is 4321 is subtracted. Okay, so that is known as the subtrahend. From which number it is subtracted? That is 6666. So that is known as the minuend. Now we will see 6 minus 1 we will get 5. Then 6 minus 2 4. 6 minus 3 3. Then 6 minus 4 2. So we subtracted minuend minus subtrahend. So what answer we got? That is known as the difference. What that is known as? Difference. Now next topic, subtraction without borrowing. First we will see subtraction without borrowing. So subtract 15,624 from 46,859. So here what is minuend? So that is 46,859. Here what written? 15,624 from 46,859. So minuend is our 46,859. From this we will subtract 15,624 subtrahend. So first we will arrange it in a place value. So your highest place value is 10,000. So 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. So first we will write minuend, that is 46,859. Then subtrahend 15,624. Then minus sign. Then we will start subtraction. So step number 1, subtract the ones. So ones place we have to subtract. So which digits are there? 9 and 4. So 9 minus 4 we will get 5. So in ones place we will write 5. Now step number 2, subtract the tens. So in tens place which digits are there? 5 and 2. So 5 minus 2 we will get 3. So at 10 place we will write 3. Now step number 3, subtract the hundreds. So now we will subtract the hundreds place. Which digits are there? 8 and 6. So 8 minus 6 we will get 2. So at hundreds place we will write 2. Now step number 4, subtract the thousands place. So in thousands place which digits are there? 6 and 5. So 6 minus 5 we will get 1. So at thousands place we will write 1. Now step number 5, subtract the 10,000s place. So now in 10,000s place which digits are there? 4 and 1. So 4 minus 1 we will get 3. So our answer is 31,235. Now our next topic is subtraction with borrowing. So here example, subtract 4,37,423 from 7,34,302. So here 7,34,302 is our minuend and 4,37,423 is our subtrahend. Okay, so we have to subtract. So we will start from the ones place digit. So 2 minus 3. So here 2 is smaller number compared to 3. We can't able to subtract, right? So what we have to do? We have to borrow from the tens place digit. But in tens place, which digit is there? 0. 0 means no value. So we can't able to borrow. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from hundreds place digit. Now in hundreds place, which digit is there? Yes, 3. So from 3 we can borrow? Yes, from 3 we can borrow. So this 3 will become 2. So 3 minus 2, 1 we will borrow. So what? How much it will become? It will become 2. So above 3 we will write 2 and 1 will be borrowed to this 0. So this 0 will become 10. Now from this 10 we will borrow 1. So this 10 will become 9 and that 1 will come to this 2. So it will become 12. So now 12 minus 3 we can subtract. Yes, 12 is the greater number compared to 3, right? So from 12 minus 3 we will get 9. Now we will subtract the tens place digit, that is 9 and 2. So 9 minus 2 we will get 7. Now we will move to hundreds place digit, that is 2 and 4. So here also 2 is the smaller number compared to 4. We can't able to subtract. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from thousands place digit. So here 4 is there. For from 4 we will take 1. What it will happen? 4 will become 3 and this 2 will become 12. Now 12 minus 4, how much we will get? 8. Now 3 minus 7 is possible? No. So we have to borrow from this 3. So this 3 will become 2 and this 3 will become 13. So now 13 minus 7 we will get 6. Now here 2 minus 3, it is possible? No, 2 is smaller number compared to 3. So we have to borrow from 7. So this 7 will become 6 and this 2 will become 12. So now 12 minus 3 we will get 9. Now at lakh place 6 minus 4 we will get 2. So our answer is 2,96,879. This is the difference. Thank you.